Autonics 50 mm incremental rotary encoders shaft type. E50S series. Technical features. The E50S series incremental rotary encoders feature 50 mm diameter size housings and 8 mm solid soft diameter. It provides accurate measurement of angle, position, revolution, speed, acceleration, and distance. The encoders are available in cable type, cable connector type, and axial or radial connector types along with various control output options. Available control outputs are totem pole output, NPN output, PNP output, and line drive output. Various resolutions from 1 to 8000 pulses per revolution. Available power supply 5 VDC, 12-24 VDC.